Sibheka ngebhola nobhutshuzwayo sitholakala izithi South African Masters and Legends Football Association yethula ke Uhambo Lwayo Lukazwelonke eSafa House lapho umengameli Jacob Mathathe eshaye ikhwelo eliqinile lokuthi kube nobumbano nanoma ke kukhona ukungaboni ngasolinye ngaphakathi. Amalungu akhulume ngokungezwani kobuholi aphinda ke akhipha izinqumo ezibalekile zokuzinzisa ke uhlaka lase-E-Goli ngesikhathi enxusa izingwazi zebhola ukuthi izibumbane siqinise i-association ngaphambi kokuhambela ezinye izifundazwe.
I-South African Masters and Legends Football Association iphehlelele ngokusesikweni ukhenketho lwayo lukazwelonke noluthe laqhuba ngoLwesihlanu. Umlenze wokuqala olukhenketho bubanjelwe kweliphondo laseRhawutini nalapho bekushukuxwa khona imiba ojongene nawo lombutho kweliphondo. Kwaye umxholo wosuku ubumalunga nomanyano kwi-I-Samlfa ukuze ikwazi ukuya phambili.
The main objective or goal, as you put it, for the South African Masters and Legends Football Association, abbreviated I-Samlfa, is to achieve unity and set up structures in the 9 provinces and in the 52 SAFA regions and in the LFA, starting from LFAs. We want to bring every former professional football player in every corner of South Africa.
Elikhwelo lomanyano liza ngenxa yengxaki nokungaboni ngasolinye ukuquka amalungu athi awamboni njengomongameli walombutho Jacob Mathathe oqhuzula imikhala.
We want unity of former professional football players. We can't negotiate it. And we can't fight each other when we played together for so many years. We have to unite for the benefit, not only for our members, the organization itself, but for football in the country and SAFA in particular.
The legends must get together and work together with the legends and masters, because I-Samlfa is a member of SAFA in good standing. So the national drive is that they must work together across the whole country and have a proper structure through the leadership of Jacob Mathathe as the president, and we'll make sure that there's a unity within the legends.
I think 2017 SAFA asked him to put up a proper structure, provincial structure, regional structure. He hasn't done that. Only for us to come last year and start that process without him. And we've organized ourselves to have 9 provinces, to have a region, Uhambo province. So we find it weird that this guy has been there for all these years, but he couldn't do that. So now when we do it, we are seen as doing the wrong thing, but he wants to jump onto our bandwagon because we've already organized ourselves. So I find it very strange, and that is why I said I don't recognize him.
Kodwa ke lo mbutho uthi uza kuba maqhaphetshu uzama ukuphelisa wonke lo qulu kubhode. Ukuzama kusombulula ingxaki ze-I-Samlfa kuye kwathathwa isigqibo sokuba kutyunjwe abantu abazaqinisekisa ukuba bayayiphelisa yonke le nto yale mihlambi yalanayo. Ndinguthamanga indaba zemidlalo kuSoweto TV.